We're here to talk about the future of work. What is work going to look like in 10 years? Big question. My name is Modupe Akinola. I'm a professor at Columbia Business School. I study stress and diversity. I look at how people psychologically and physiologically react to stressful situations and how it affects outcomes like negotiation, creativity, you name it. I really think that 10 years from now, organizations need to think about what makes an employee happy, what makes them feel whole, what gives them meaning and purpose in their work. Because employees are going to be looking for organizations that are transparent, that are more equitable, that are more diverse. Leaders are going to need tools to be able to tap into EI, to be able to better understand the emotional intelligence, that's what I meant when I said EI, of their employees so that they can give what they need to be able to have the output that they desire. And then organizations are going to need to be competitive. This is a tough world out there. We see a lot of mergers and acquisitions and all that because companies are vying for scarce resources. So how can companies use more AI and technology to bring costs down in the areas that don't matter as much, while at the same time leveraging all the things that humans bring to the workplace? I study stress. I look at how people experience stress, and the workplace is becoming more and more stressful. How can companies give people tools like a wearable ring that tells them when they are really stressed and gives them what they need to say, you know what, maybe it's time to take a break, or maybe it's time to do something differently. So I think that being savvy about what is out there from a technology standpoint and bringing that to the workspace to help people with their stress is something that employers and leaders are going to need to get better at. People complain that their workplaces aren't a place that has empathy or compassion. They feel like they're more like objects, not like people. And so I hope that the workforce of the future understands people and what they bring to the table and uses technology in a way that facilitates that. I think of things like, imagine a company uses technology in a way that every week or every 2 weeks you get asked, what went well for you this week? Or what your manager do differently to make you have had a better week? Or what could have made you more productive? And you could share that. And then the company could have an aggregated sense of the answers to the questions that all employees are thinking and then can create tools and solutions to address those questions. I mean, that's to me what we want in our companies.